Imagine a vast sea of gleaming cars, each one a perfect picture of potential. And yet, many are doomed to remain unsold. Each passing week sees their value dwindle, leading to an unexpected fate for these once-cherished models. Some are auctioned off for mere scraps, some shipped overseas, and a few even disappear without a trace into storage, or worse, the scrapyard. You might think dealerships own these vehicles, right? Not quite. They rely on floor plan financing, a sort of credit card scheme for cars. They borrow money to stock their lots, racking up interest with every unsold vehicle. The pressure is on to sell fast. Cars should ideally leave the lot within 60 to 90 days. When they don't, the financial burdens mount, and suddenly those shiny cars become slippery liabilities. So, what's the first move when the cars just won't go? Discounting! Dealerships throw in attractive offers. Think 0% financing and hefty cashback deals. Sometimes manufacturers chip in with low-interest loans or appealing lease deals. Take the Dodge Charger, for example. Some are sitting unsold for over 300 days. That's nearly a year of gathering dust. When discounts still fail, there's a sneaky loophole, transforming new cars into used ones. How? By using them as loaner cars or allowing employees to test drive them. After picking up just a few miles, they're reclassified, allowing the dealer to slash prices and market them as certified pre-owned cars. But let's not forget the art of trading. Sometimes a model that flops in one state can thrive in another. Dealerships swap cars like prize baseball cards, redistributing stock to balance out demand. However, if all else fails, it's auction time. Closed auctions are exclusive to brand dealers, while open auctions welcome anyone with a dealer's license. Many unsold cars find new homes here, often at jaw-dropping discounts. Did you know rental car companies frequently stock up at these auctions? Yes, a lot of those rental cars began their journey as unsold dealer inventory. Then there are cases where cars never even see the lot. Auto manufacturers sometimes overproduce and must quietly store extras, leading to breathtaking drone footage of car graveyards. Others may get exported to markets hungry for a model that flopped in the US, and in the darkest scenarios, some cars, despite being brand new, are scrapped. Manufacturers would rather shred them than risk tarnishing their brand with steep discounts. So what truly becomes of these forsaken vehicles? They might get slashed prices, rebranded as used cars, traded away, exported, auctioned, or in some cases sent to the scrapyard. But rest assured, every car eventually exits the lot, their bizarre journeys often hidden from view. Next time you stroll past a dealership filled with untouched cars, think about where they might end up. What's the strangest or best car deal you've ever witnessed? I'd love to hear your stories.